Báwo ni ẹ̀yin tèmi? Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán tàbí ẹ káalẹ́. Depending on whenever you are seeing this video, you're welcome to another lesson on this channel. My name is Fatai Oyeyemi, your virtual Yoruba teacher. Today, in this lesson, we are going to continue on our series of the Yoruba number system. Previously on this channel, we had a playlist on Yoruba number system. We have 6 episodes so far. The most recent one was where we look at number 200 to 1000. Now, in this lesson, we want to look at the numbers starting from 201 upward. In the previous video, we only took all these numbers in 20. That's when we took, I think, from 200 to 300, where we talk about 210, 220, 240, down to 300. But in this lesson, we are going to be taking a look at numbers 201 to 210. So that's what we are going to be doing in this lesson. Without wasting much of our time, let's just get straight into the business of the day. So we have 201. 201. What is 201? The Yoruba number system. Now, here, we need previous knowledge on the number system that we talked about before. So in case this is your first time of coming across this video and you want to learn Yoruba number system, kindly go to the channel, locate playlist, and you see the playlist on Yoruba number system. Familiarize yourself with all the numbers we talked about previously, and catching up will be much easier for you. Now, what is 201 in Yoruba? We need to understand what is 200. No, we've done that before. We said 200 is Igba, right? Then what is 1? 1 is Okan. You have to pay attention to this wheel. Remember, we mentioned it in the previous video, that if you want to use any of these numbers in counting, like to say maybe we have 2 pen, 2 egg. Now, starting from number 2, what you're just going to do is add M in front of this number. We said 2 is AG or AG, depends on the dialect or the person talking about it. So if you want to say 2 things, maybe 2 pen. Now, what you're just going to do is add M in front of this AG. This should now give us Meji. So if you have 2 balls, 2 pen will give us Meji, Meta, Mary, and so on and so forth. And if you want to use this thing in position, like first position or second position, so let's, for example, now second position, what you're just going to do is in front of this AG, add K, that's KG, Ipo KG, second position, any KG, second person. So to use it to talk about quantity, we add M in front of the number, and use it in counting, we add the letter K in front of the number, giving us what we want to use. So taking note of this is very important. So in this lesson, we're just going to be making use of this format. That's using these numbers in counting. That's what we're going to be focusing on that. So we said 1 in Yoruba is Okan, right? And 200 is Igba. So now, what we're going to do is 201 will now give us Mokan. Mọ́kànlénígba. Mọ́kànlénígba. That is igba ó lé ní ẹyọ kan. Mọ́kànlénígba. Then 202 is méjìlénígba. Méjìlénígba. That's 202. Now, if just from here, it becomes easy, right? Once you know your numbers 1 to 10, then you know your number 200. Then we're just going to do practically the same thing. So 203 is mẹ́tàlénígba. Mẹ́tàlénígba. Then what is 204? Mẹ́rìnlénígba. So, we said 204 mẹ́rin lé ní igba, 205 márùn-ún lé ní igba, 206 mẹ́fà lé ní igba, 207 méje lé ní igba, 208 mẹ́jọ lé ní igba, 209 mẹ́sàn-án lé ní igba. So from 210 now, this is where it changes. You know, from 201 to 209, we just say, just take your number like you know before, then add it to 200. From 210 now, the tone is going to change. So, and there's nothing technical here. It's quite simple. Just take with me. Now, if you remember in our previous video, that's when we talked about 220. What we call 20? We said 220 is okòólénígba, right? Okòólénígba. Okòólénígba, that is 220. So what we are going to do is, once we get to 210, the way to say this number in Yoruba language is, we go to 220, then we count backward. So first we said 220 is okòólénígba. Automatically, 210 will now give us okòólénígba. Now we first write this number. Okòólénígba. Right? Okòólénígba. Date. Now, let me pause here and just explain something. You know, when we're looking at, I think that was in the episode 4, when we're looking at from the numbers in 20. But that's what we're talking about this day or lay. So I don't need to go trace more on that to save time on this, let's say. So if you have been following this series, it becomes easy. Like I said, if this is the first time you're coming across this topic, go to the channel and locate the playlist on the Yoruba Number System. So, he said, okòólénígba dín. What is 10? Mẹ́wàá. Mẹ́wàá. Wait. So, 210 is okòólénígba dín mẹ́wàá. That is, we remove 10 from 220. So I hope this is, I think it's very simple to understand. There's nothing so technical here now. So let's take the number one again. We said 201 mọ́kànlénígba, 202 méjìlénígba, 203 mẹ́talénígba, 204 mẹ́rinlénígba, 205 márùnlénígba, 206 mẹ́fàlénígba, 207 méjelénígba, 208 mẹ́jọlénígba, 209 mẹ́sànlénígba, and 210 okòólénígba dín mẹ́wàá. So I do hope this is pretty simple to understand. And if you have any question on this lesson or any topic in Yoruba Number System, do well to drop it in the comment section. Till I see you in the next video. Bye.